below all this information here. Yes, that's correct. It closed below all this information here. So now when we go to the 30-minute time frame, we have the same information over here, right? So if we were going to take a sell over here, this sell would not make sense, because taking a sell over here, I mean, now you're saying that, okay, since price has made a low, for you to take a sell, you need a resistance formed at this level. At this level, you need a resistance formed so that, price came down, it needs to come up, make a resistance, and then continue moving down to eventually fill this wick. So that's what we're going to wait for. So we're going to wait and see what happens, because, the last thing you want to do is to rush in a trade. That's a no-go to rush in a trade, mate. We don't want to rush in a trade because we got to wait for the price to do something we like. See this? It's broken below this support here, so we got to wait. If it comes down, so the first step is to identify the most recent support resistance. We got the resistance mark down over here, up over here at 145.240. The next one is down over here. So we got to wait. You got to wait and see what happens here. What days do you trade live? What days do you trade live? Well, Mr. iHus, you can scroll down and you can read the description. It says Monday to Friday, 6 a.m. Eastern. I don't know, man. Half the chat is blind, honestly. So we're just waiting for this candle to show some signs, because if you look at the notes you've made, if price is going bearish, we need to sell it from a resistance. So right now it seems like it's creating a low over here, and it's going to come up, create a resistance, and then we can take a trade going down. So far it's just heading down, so we don't know what's going on. Candle's going up on a Tuesday. Oh, 30-minute candle is about to close. 30-minute candle has closed at this resistance. Now, when the 30-minute candle has closed here, some people are going to turn around and say, okay, I got to take a sell. But the candle is bullish, man. The candle is bullish. The candle closed bullish. You need a bearish candle at this level forming so that you can take a sell. So that's what we got to wait for.
Yeah, so what I was doing is I drew out those two zones, because the idea for me is this here is all just a zone that's pulling out. So once this candle here pulls away, we could already see this bullish move up. Your first target will go to here and then eventually go to here, if that's the bullish momentum that we want. But we're waiting for us to leave this zone so you can take trades above that green line.
Yes, perfect. So now you see the candle has closed bearish right here. So this could be a perfect opportunity to take a sell down to this area. So that's what we're going to try to do here. Since this candle has closed bearish, it's going to be like a 10-pip stop. We're going to have a 10-pip stop here. We're going to take a sell. Stop is above the previous candle. And yeah, I mean, should continue down. Now the stop loss is placed if, in case this is not the case. If price does not go down and it closes back above this area, what's it, 145 to 50.60, then it should continue moving up. So we're just going to wait to see how this forms and reacts. Looking at the 15-minute candle, we're going bearish. Oh, 15-minute candle is going bearish. 15-minute candle has closed bearish. Looking at the 30-minute candle, it's still open. So we're going to wait to see how this closes. Looks like we're moving. We're looking at our P&L. We're up 2-3 pips almost. Now the thing is, if this sell doesn't work out, oh, there we go. We got almost, maybe put stops at break even, because the way it's moving, I'm not very positive. But if this sell does not work out, then the buys would play out, because now when price, yeah, it's perfect. We had a bearish candle form. Now this should continue moving bearish. And we got 6, 7, 8. And this is a good trade. This is a very, Good trade.